combine cornstarch and tuna, and you have dinner ready in 4 minutes. Let's start by draining 1 tin of tuna. Put the tuna in a colander and mash it with a fork. Now in a bowl, add 3 eggs. You guys, this recipe is budget-friendly and easy to prepare. I'm sure everyone will love it. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and stir. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. And thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and stir until smooth. After stirring the cornstarch, add some fine herbs and the tuna. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love tuna. In a pan on medium heat, drizzle some oil and spread it with a brush. Then add the mixture. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then flip it with a spatula and let cook the other side. And our recipe is done. You just need to serve it and enjoy. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.